Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting a short video clip that reads well as a background. Pick 15 seconds to avoid big files. Once done, check format and resolution so the image scales properly. Mismatched size causes cropping or blur. Next, move the file to a predictable folder and enable storage permissions in the Wallpaper app. Make sure your device has 5200 MB free for caching. With that ready, you can open the Wallpaper tool and import the clip to begin editing. You now refine the clip so it plays smoothly as wallpaper, trim to a loopable segment, and use a fade or match frames to hide the cut. Then re-encode with a moderate bitrate, typically 3.8 Mbps, and set 30 FPS for consistent playback across devices. Make sure to crop or scale to center the subject for the device aspect ratio. Preview on the target screen to catch alignment issues. Finally, save a copy optimized for battery and storage before applying. You finish by applying the prepared file. Choose Home, Lock, or both, and enable continuous looping if available. After applying, test by returning to the home screen and letting it run for a minute. Make sure animations aren't stuttering. If you see quick battery drain, enable power-friendly playback or limit frame updates in the wallpaper settings. If playback fails, reboot the app or device. Then try re-encoding at a lower bitrate. This often resolves compatibility or performance issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.